Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. I'm Emily, the home bookkeeper, and on this channel I help business owners and fellow freelance bookkeepers navigate the ever-changing QuickBooks Online, while also sharing insightful videos on all things business ownership and finance. As always, this is a sample company provided by QuickBooks for educational purposes only. In today's video, I am giving you a step-by-step tutorial on how to create an estimate and turn that estimate into an invoice, creating a digital paper trail an auditor will love. This is the business owner view of QuickBooks Online for business owners. If you are a fellow home bookkeeper, feel free to check out my QuickBooks tutorials for bookkeepers playlist, available now on my channel. First things first, let's head over to the Get Paid and Pay tab to open up the estimate screen. Here you will see all of your estimates. To create a new estimate, click the green Create Estimate button. Here you can enter in all of your estimate details. If you have your customer info filled out completely, their data should auto-populate. You can enter in your products and services for the project, edit the quantity, rate, and amounts, and select if the item is taxable or not. If you haven't entered your products and services through inventory, you will have to do that first. And I do have a video available on my channel. When finished, click Save and Send. This will open a preview window of what your client or customer will see. If your details are correct, go ahead and send it. Wait for your customer to approve the estimate, and once they do, click the blue text link to accept. Document who accepted it and on what date. If you have an email or a signed document, you can even upload and attach for best record keeping. Now that the estimate is sent and you've accepted it, you can now convert it to an invoice. All the details will pull over from the estimate. Just double check and send the invoice to your customer. They will be able to pay directly through the invoice if you have QBO payments set up. Setting up QBO payments is the easiest way to get paid by any credit cards, including American Express, check, wire, and even PayPal. And there you have it, a complete step-by-step tutorial on how to create an estimate, send an estimate, accept an estimate, and convert an estimate into an invoice, and how easy it is to get paid. Hope you enjoyed, and now get out there and start making money while staying compliant. For more business resources, my online self-paced home bookkeeper masterclass, business supplies, gadgets, must-haves, and more, make sure to check out edjconsultinggroup.com/resources, linked below. And of course, like this video, subscribe to my channel and turn on those bell notifications so you'll never miss an upload. If you have any video or tutorial requests, make sure to leave them in the comments below. And for even more behind-the-scenes content of life as a home bookkeeper, feel free to follow me on Instagram @EmmaDawn and connect with me on LinkedIn. And if you need more assistance, personal financial coaching, or bookkeeping and payroll management, feel free to email or visit edjconsultinggroup.com. My firm is fully inclusive and ready to help you along wherever you may be in your entrepreneurship or personal wealth building journey.